Hello. Makeup brushes. You gotta clean them. And today I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. It's just, it's like the easiest thing on this earth. It's more, I just dropped it. It's more tedious than anything. All you need is like a tub, your makeup brushes, and Dawn dish soap. I don't even have one of those fancy silicone like things you can scrub your makeup brushes off, because you're supposed to do them so often that they don't get that bad. Like, you don't want your makeup brushes to be like caked in makeup. It's recommended if you wear makeup every day, you should wash them once a week. Or even if not, I mean, they sit out, so like bacteria and particles from the air get on them, and like that gets on your face, like that'll clog your pores, break you out. And ever since I started cleaning my makeup brushes regularly, my skin does not stay broken out. So I'd wash them once a week if you have time, if not like every 2 weeks or something. Stay tuned to see how to wash your makeup brushes. So here are all the makeup brushes and sponges I have. I know it looks like a lot, but I've accumulated them over the years. They just all needed a good cleaning, so I lay them out on a towel. And then here's the tub I have. You can get them anywhere. And then I've got Dawn dish soap. And then I put a pretty generous amount in the tub because you need a lot to get all the makeup off of your brushes. And then I fill the water up to just like about here. You don't want to make it too deep or it can like dissolve the glue that's on your brushes. So then I take a brush, dip it down in there, and just swirl it really good. And you can see like right here like how much of the foundation is just coming out, like so bad. Yeah, I just take it and swirl it. I bought this tub for specifically just cleaning these brushes. And then here's another one, just dipping down in the tub and swirling it around. You can see pretty much only like the brush itself is going to be in the water. And then I just like pick it up and check, and if there's still makeup on the sides, like I'll dip it back in and clean the sides. And then here's an eyeshadow brush. I didn't have a whole lot of colorful looks I did at the time of filming this, so I didn't really have like too dirty brushes. Alright, and then for my sponges, I do a little different. I just take the dish soap and I put it directly on the sponge. And you can see like how dirty these were before, like they really needed to be clean. And I put them under the sink, and then here's the after. I just put them on the sink and I just squeeze until like the stuff comes out. And then on this brush, here's where some of the glue has dissolved from being too far in the water. So here I'm showing you like how deep the water actually is. And if your brushes, like the glue does dissolve, I mean, it's a pretty easy fix. Like you can just put some super glue in them, but it's just real tedious to like keep doing that. So yeah, and then I just go through, I'm gonna clean every single one of these brushes. Y'all would be bored to death. So I'm just cleaning like some of the real dirty ones, like this one here's my contour. Alright, and then here's all the brushes after cleaning. I lay them out to dry on a towel overnight. I've got a kitchen island in my kitchen, so I just lay that out, and then I put all the brushes and let them dry like overnight. And then once they're dry, like the next morning, I'll take them and put them back in their containers, which are right here. So here's all the brushes clean the next day. I got this little 3-thing one from Amazon, and I just do like foundation and powder, contour, and then eyeshadow. And then the little black one I'm pretty sure I got from eBay. And in those, I've got the brushes that I use like every single day, like the ones I'm always having to grab for. But yeah, there they are, clean. Alrighty. I told you it was easy. It really is, look. So easy. It is more tedious and time consuming than it is difficult, but yeah. So if you stuck around so far, hope I helped someone out, and thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.